During this brief presentation, we're going to be taking a look at the Fireline software's dashboard, specifically the Calls tab. Now, the call center is available for all the different software products. It should be available on the software that you've received. And you'll notice here that the Calls tab gives us a list of all of the incoming telephone calls that have been recorded. Now, it's very simple to record a brand new call. Let's start with clicking the New Call button here. And you'll notice that a screen comes up that allows us to actually search our QuickBooks customers. If in fact we have a customer on the phone, and let's assume it was Frank's Steakhouse. Judy's on the phone with us today, so we're going to select her. You'll notice that information has been filled directly into our notepad, if you would, our electric notepad here with the phone number and the customer name. We can go ahead and note that this is Judy on the phone with us right now. This links directly to our advertising module if you're utilizing that module, and let's assume that this call was a brand new call, let's say. We could record it and ask how they got a hold of us, and it would populate with, of course, our list of our sources. I could also indicate that if I knew that this was an administrative type call or a customer care call, or it was regarding an installation or a quote or a service, I could indicate that here as well. And then, of course, this is going to be the caller message. So whatever the message is that I normally would take in my notepad, handwriting it, I can go ahead and put that message in great detail here. If, in fact, it's for, let's say it's for Don and he's not in the office, otherwise I would have just transferred the call over to him, I can go ahead to my list of all of my people in the office, and let's pull up Don, and we're going to go ahead and send this over and tag it to Don because that's going to be for him. It's that easy to take a call. You'll also notice that we give you the ability to customize your own call script so that your people can answer the phone and specifically state certain things if you'd like them to read from the script. Take their service calls, and then you'll notice the next tab that we have to the right is again that list of the incoming telephone calls. And you'll notice here that I took that call. It was actually sent to Don. It was Judy on the phone. These were the comments that I took, and of course you can just see a short snapshot of them right here. If I wanted to go ahead and actually take a look at that whole call, I could then select that call. It will automatically open up the customer's history screen. It opens up electronically the note that we took while we were on the phone. And from here, if I needed to go ahead and put additional notes in, I could. Let's assume I gave Judy a call back and found out that this is actually a new work order or possibly a new opportunity for a quote. I could go ahead and actually activate either of these two buttons directly from that call center note. That concludes our brief overview of the dashboard and the Calls List tab.